1942. The Atlantic is a graveyard for merchant ships.
U-boat Wolfpacks are hunting Allied convoys to extinction.
New Huff-Duff tech tracks the enemy by their radio signals. Small, powerful radar spots U-boats through fog and darkness.
The Leigh Light leaves the enemy with nowhere to hide.
Breaking the Enigma code gave the Allies a decisive edge.
ASDIC tracked the prey, while Hedgehog mortars delivered the kill. In May 1943, 41 U-boats were lost. The tide had officially turned. From microwaves to GPS, wartime secrets shaped our modern world. Innovation changed history when the world was at its darkest.
The Leigh Light stripped away the safety of the dark. At Bletchley Park, codebreakers turned data into a weapon.
The Hedgehog mortar allowed for a continuous, lethal pursuit. In May 1943, tech superiority crushed the U-boat fleet.
In May 1943, Germany lost 41 U-boats in a single month.
Technical superiority had finally neutralized the submarine threat. Wartime inventions laid the foundation for the modern world. From microwave ovens to the GPS technology in your pocket. Innovation changed history when the world was at its darkest.
In May 1943, the technological gap became an insurmountable abyss. Wartime hardware paved the way for the microwave in your kitchen.
The seeds of global GPS were planted in the heat of the Atlantic. This was a triumph of the human intellect over sheer destruction. Innovation changed history when the world was at its darkest.
From the Atlantic waves to the GPS signals in your pocket.
It was a victory of the mind, as much as one of bravery. Innovation changed history when the world was at its darkest. The cavity magnetron shifted from the hunt to our kitchens.
Radar evolved into the GPS systems that guide us today.
Turing's logic paved the way for the digital age. The Atlantic is no longer a graveyard, but a bridge. Innovation remains our light in the darkest of times.
May 1943. The hunters were now the hunted.
Wartime breakthroughs became the tools of our daily lives. From radar to GPS, these secrets live in our pockets. Innovation changed history when the world was at its darkest.
a victory of intellect that forever reshaped the future.
The tech forged in battle laid the foundations of the modern world.
From microwave ovens to GPS, 1943's secret tech lives on today.
It was a triumph of the intellect during the world's darkest hour.
Innovation can change the very course of human history.
The legacy of the Atlantic remains a testament to human genius. From radar to microwaves, 1943's tech lives on in our homes today. Modern navigation and GPS were forged in these cold, dark waters. A triumph of intellect that changed history during its darkest hour. Innovation remains a powerful light against the darkness of war. The secret tech of the Atlantic continues to shape our modern world.
Today's microwave oven traces its roots to the cavity magnetron.
Our global navigation systems rely on principles born in 1943. The battle was a triumph of the intellect in the darkest of times.
Innovation changed history, proving ideas can win any war.
The tech of the past remains the foundation of our future.
The tech of 1943 lives on in our modern world.
The cavity magnetron paved the way for the microwave oven.
Wartime navigation evolved into the GPS in your pocket.
It was a triumph of intellect in the world's darkest hour.
Innovation changed history when it was needed most. In May 1943, the technological gap became an abyss.
Germany lost 41 U-boats in a single month. Their technical superiority had neutralized the fleet.
This tech laid the foundation for our modern world. Innovation changed history when the world was at its darkest.
In May 1943, the technological gap became an insurmountable abyss.
The tech that won the war now fuels our modern convenience.
From microwave ovens to GPS, these secrets live on today.
The battle was a triumph of the intellect over raw force. Innovation can change the world when it is at its darkest. From radar to microwaves, 1943 technology lives on today.
GPS and modern navigation owe their existence to these breakthroughs.
The secret war of the Atlantic laid the foundation for our world.
A triumph of courage, but also a triumph of the human intellect. Innovation changed the course of history in its darkest hour.
The cavity magnetron evolved into the modern microwave oven.
tracking technology laid the foundations for global GPS. The battle was won through intellectual superiority. Innovation lit the way through the war's darkest hours. The tech of 1943 continues to shape our modern lives.
These wartime innovations laid the foundation for our modern world.
The cavity magnetron evolved into the modern microwave oven. A victory of courage and the power of human intellect. Innovation changed history when the world was at its darkest. The secret tech of 1943 continues to shape our lives today. The cavity magnetron evolved from radar to the modern microwave. Wartime radio navigation paved the way for global GPS. Innovation changed history when the world was at its darkest. It was a triumph of the intellect and human ingenuity.
The secret tech of 1943 lives on in our world today.
From microwave ovens to GPS, 1943's tech lives on today.
This secret war laid the foundations of our modern world.
It was a triumph of courage and the human intellect. Innovation changed the course of history in its darkest hour. The secret tech of the Atlantic remains a legacy of light. The cavity magnetron moved from radar to our modern kitchens. Tracking technology paved the way for the GPS in your pocket.
The Battle of the Atlantic was won by the power of intellect.
Innovation changed history when the world was at its darkest.
A legacy of secret tech that lives on in our world today.